Hello everyone, my name is Rayan and I'm a student of EIILM-Kolkata and my course is BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management, and now we are going to prepare grilled cheese into tomato basil sauce.
So here we have the following ingredients for this dish. We have the cheese patty. We have made it with fried onion, paneer, that is the cottage cheese, and some tomatoes, green chili, and we have made into patty. And we just kept it. And we have some vegetables. We have the tomato sauce which we have already made it, but we will flavor it with basil. We have the cucumber, we have the carrot, we have the tomatoes, all because to enhance the nutrition. And for the garnish we have certain blanched vegetables, we have some flavorings, and we have some herbs there. So we'll start. Firstly we'll start by roasting this cheese patties. Wet till it is brown. Okay. Now we are going to grill this patty. You go and grill this patty. You have the griller there. Go and grill this patty. Carry this plate with you. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. For that we will take some oil. Sauce is done. Now we'll do the final presentation. Arrange the lettuce first.
Now our dish is ready. Do try it at home and let us know how is it. Thank you.
Thank you.